Say something, Alex.
I'm going to find the crab.
What kind of crab?
Kayabang.
Dito, Alex. On this side.
Daddy, did you found one?
Here, Alex. Here.
Hello.
Are you enjoying?
Yeah.
Careful ka, mahulog ka. Psst, Alex.
Balik tayo. Masyado tayo. Pinagpakita. What is the experience mo?
Let's find it in a different.
Kita mo. Ganito. Diba?
May nag-i-spot din sa baba, oh.
Saan?
Doon, oh.
Nangayabang din yan.
Kaso dagat yun, ah. May ilaw. Kaso, di ba, ang lalim niyan?
Do Kayabang live in water?
In the land. Then they will
Dig a hole?
make a home in the land. Then
They cover it?
full moon, you release the egg in the sea.
The umang? How do umangs give birth?
Ang oras na. Ang shit na.
What's all sheeping?
7.
Pero nakaka-enjoy yung ganito.
Kaya nga eh.
Alam mo yung bata ako, ang dilim ng paligid. Tapos makikita mo star lang, mahangin. Moon. Moon yung magiging light mo.
Wow, I can see the full stars.
Come on, at least na-experience na Alex.
How about Mary?
Is na.
It's not problem because let's find another different place.
Yeah. This time.
Okay. How did this harden already?
What?
How did our cement hard?
Ito, ang ganda ng ano. Oh, tingnan mo siya rito. Oh,
Oh, puting.
oh tingnan mo.
Ang ganda nga.
Kahit gabi eh.
Kakapawis din.
Para tayo nag-exercise.
Who's Kayabang?
Kuya, it's wet.
So, nag-good pala sila.
Mayroon ma'am, ano eh, alam mo yung Amoy province.
This is Amoy province because this is a province.
Exactly.
Parang pagod ka na ah.
Are you pagod?
Not yet.
Hindi nga After this, we go to the